Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Gemini to Google Sheets. While a direct, built-in connector isn't available, we'll leverage Google Apps Script as the bridge. This powerful tool allows you to write custom code that interacts with both services. You'll need your Gemini API key ready to authenticate your requests and ensure secure communication between your spreadsheet and the AI model. To begin, open the Google Sheet you wish to connect. From the top menu, click on Extensions, then choose Apps Script. This action will open a new browser tab with the Apps Script editor. Here, you'll create a new project. This environment is where you'll write all the necessary code to facilitate communication between your spreadsheet and the Gemini API. Now, within the Apps Script editor, you'll write the code. This involves using the URL fetch app service to send HTTP requests to the Gemini API endpoint. Remember to securely include your API key in the request headers or body for authentication. You'll also create functions to read data from your sheet, send it to Gemini, and then parse the AI's response to update specific cells in your Google Sheet. Once your code is written, you can run it directly from the App Script editor to test the connection and ensure everything works as expected. For ongoing use, set up time-driven triggers to automate your script, allowing it to run at specific intervals, like every hour or once a day. This ensures your sheet stays updated without manual intervention. Also, for other great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.